guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Air Max 3 in Radiant Red. If you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Drop some likes, show us the thumbs up, drop some love in the comments, and we'll try our best to reply to every single comment that we can. Let's get into this review, and let's just go first with the box. So we've done a review of an Air Max 3, the laser blue, and I think I'm wearing the same outfit. It's conscious, so you guys that are saying, oh my god, you keyboard warriors, he's wearing the same thing. I'm doing it on purpose, so we'll understand why, because we got the OG infrared. Well, it's weird because I've always known these as the Air Max 90 infrared, but Nike have gone with their OG name that they did in the 90s, which was Radiant Red, I assume. But if you were able to conserve a pair from the 1990s, this is the kind of box they would have come in. And you would have come with like that label in the front here with Air Max white, black, cool, grey, Radiant Red. Whole packaging, the display, it's all nostalgic for you 90s kids. Now let's get into the sizing. So we've got the Air Max 3 in white, black, cool, grey, Radiant Red. And we got this in the US 8.5, it's the UK 7.5, and it's European 42. And opening it up, you get the little Nike Runners Club. Oh, look at that, that's so nice. You get arch support pillows. I don't need them personally, but you know, if you have if you've got a little flat foot, just pop them on. Okay. Oh, it is just, oh my god, the box. No. Look at that, classic. So this time, unlike the laser blue version that we did, this comes with a running club leaflet, and you open it up and it's got the tracksuit that it comes with. These were obviously built for running, and they have stood the tests of time. Always. Did wish I got a pair in 2015, the last time that these got released, but they were under the moniker of Air Max 90 infrared. This is just going back to the 1990 version of the Air Max 3. Personally, I think it's a bit weird calling it the Air Max 3. Everyone and their mum has called it the Air Max 90. Let us know how you feel about that. Do you guys want to keep calling it the Air Max 90, or are you okay with Nike rebranding it as the Air Max 3? Let us know your thoughts. Let's start with the outsole. This outsole, your typical rubber Nike outsole with the waffle patterning right there in the front and the little wave action going up onto the midsole. So this midsole has two air units exposed, famous one right there by the heel, and you got an encapsulated air on the forefoot. The whole midsole is made out of polyurethane. Moving on towards the upper, you have this wonderful blend of synthetic materials. To my knowledge, and from what the guys at Wear Testers have said, these are all synthetic leathers, synthetic suedes, the mesh, all synthetic. And you look at this toe shape as well, that OG, going back to the 90s, that's the OG toe shape that everyone raves and missed. And you got it right here, this Air Max 3 2020 edition, 30th anniversary, I must say. And what more can I say about the sneaker? Oh, the infrared colorway, of course. Don't know why Nike have been calling it Radiant Red. I've always known this to be known as infrared. This looks a bit like fluorescent pink. I don't know. It reminds me of the 2015 Air Jordan 6. That was my first video, so with Oneupreviewz. So have a little watch of that so you can see that paneling. It's a similar color to this one. It's light pink or orange, depends how you see it. And you can see my baby face, so you have a look there. But what more? This stands the test of time. The lacing system, it's a classic, you know, classic lacing system. Air Max logo right there on the tongue. before I go into it on feet, that is the OG to my knowledge sizing. That's right there in the middle of the tongue, and you can see it imprinted on the Yena as well. Nicely supported, pillowed comfort around the collars. The swing tag, OG Nike orange, beautiful. At the back, the Nike Air logo with the stripes going down. I know I haven't even tried these on yet, but I know they're comfy. If they're just like the Air Max 3 Laser Blues, they were so comfy. And again, you understand why they keep retroing these, keep re-releasing these, because they are mad comfortable. I know I'm gonna rave on the comfort when I do the on feet, but if you're able to get a pair, I think at the time of recording this video, there's still some pairs left at endsclothing.com, but my gosh, you cannot go wrong with a pair of Air Max 3s, Air Max 90s, right in there with that sweet little logo. Hints of red are just beautiful. And I mentioned it again in that Air Max 3 video that I was waiting for these 2020 releases. And now that I've got these in my pants, sneaker of the year? Maybe. In my opinion, for myself really, I'd say it would be these or the New Balance 990s. These retro sneakers are amazing. Can't wait to try these on. Let's do this. Let's go. When it comes to the fit, get your true to size so you can appreciate the comfort. These have stood the test of time. Look at that. That Air Max bobble, amazing. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.